Hello everyone! Welcome to Kakao's Hideout. I am Kakao Konemi. Sorry kung medyo late yung mga forecasts ko. Nakalagnat, nakasipon, inubo. So, medyo pahinga muna ng konti. So, today I'm going to do a video reading naman po for Scorpio. And it's going to be a general read for April 2019. Although ilang days na lang. Sadly, 9 days na lang. Sorry po talaga. Aagahan ko na lang po yung May na forecast. Tapos, asan na yun? Listahan ko. Asan na yun? Porke nga naway, bakit? Where? Yan. So, today, Scorpio ang gagawin ko na forecast. Tapos, ano nga uli yun? Another, choose a number reading. So, for this one, it's going to be general read for Scorpio finances. Tapos, love reading sa Scorpio singles and Scorpios in a relationship. So, this is a general read. So, kung hindi po nagre-resonate, please do not take the message. And, ano pa nga ba yan? I forgot ano yung sasabihin. My Facebook page po, yung link nasa description box below. Kumakati na naman ang ilang ko. Papasensyahan nyo na. So, nasa description box below yung Facebook page ko. Just send me a message if you would like to have a personal reading. So, if you have any suggestions po kung about sa mga topics sa choose a number reading, you can comment down below yung mga gusto nyong matackle na topic ng readings. So, let's start. Messages please for Scorpios regarding their money. For April 2019, ito, tumalon. Two of Wands, partnership, pwede ring indecision. Tapos, may tumalon pang tatlo. Okay. Clarifier ng Two of Wands is Ace of Pentacles. So, maybe merong kang sinimulan na, na business or investment na ang ini-expect mo malaking halaga ang balik. Pero, baliktad yung Ace of Pentacles. So, siguro not necessarily lugi. Pwedeng lugi, pero ang nasisense ko kasi is, it's more on, bumalik nga yung kapital, pero, hindi ganun kalaki yung gain. Yung, outside ng capital na ginastos, kumbaga. So, ang advice sa'yo is Knight of Cups, reversed. So, parang wag mong iwan all because hindi na meet yung expectation mo. Knight of Cups reverse, ito yung pagka may problema, pagka may tension, nawawala sa eksena. So, kung merong involved sa situation na gano'n ang ginagawa, or maybe siya yung naging dahilan kung bakit nalugi o bakit konti lang yung gain, and then maybe it's time to siguro palitan mo, or pwede ring turuan mo ng maayos. Basta ang Knight of Cups kasi is yung hindi stable yung emotional niya, yung maturity niya. So, pwedeng ito ang naging dahilan kung bakit baliktad tong Ace of Pentacles mo. Pwedeng siya dahil pag may problema, pagka may kailangang ayusin, nawawala sa eksena. Dahil doon, hindi na-handle yung problema, nalulugi ka. So, pwede rin ikaw to, na siguro magaling ka lang sa simula, tapos nagsasawa ka na, kaya hindi, or maybe meron kang gustong gawin na hindi na nami-meet or hindi nagagawa, kaya nawawalan ka ng gana. So, parang ito yung pinaka-advice, huwag kang ganun, kumbaga. Kasi, if you're going to put your heart and mind into the situation, marami namang possible na mangyayari. Now, clarifying the Knight of Cups is King of Wands. So, yun nga, yung parang pinaghihinaan ng loob. Siguro nahihirapan, pwedeng ikaw or yung pinagkakatiwalaan mo sa kung anumang business to, ano bang investment to. So, kung merong hindi nakukuha, huwag give up kagad. Gamitin yung mistake to assess the situation. Bakit ba naging ganun yung resulta? Ano bang dapat iwasan? Ano bang dapat gawin? Parang ganun. And now for the result is strength reversed. If you're going to do as advised, yung ano lang, parang I'm sensing rin kasi Knight of Wands, King of Wands is, ito sociable to na tao. So there's a possibility na parang naka-cloud ng judgment mo, Scorpio, yung dapat mong gawin kasi bothered ka sa sasabihin ng iba, bothered ka sa reputation mo. What if gagawin ko to? Nakakabuti nga sa negosyo or sa investment. Pero kung gagawin ko to, parang baka magtaka yung mga kakilala ko. Baka sabihin nila na baka questionin nila ako kung bakit ganun na yung forte ko, ganyan. So, parang ang result is telling you na kung ano man expectation ng society, I always see the Lion as society as a whole na parang threatening sa'yo. You have to close its mouth, just like this woman. So, you have to let go of your fear na hindi mo mamimit yung expectation ng marami. Kasi let's face it, hindi naman yung taong nire-respeto ng karamihan yung pera. So, maybe pinagtatawanan ka, maybe kine-question ka ba't mo ginagawa yan. Pero once naging successful yan, mawawala na sa isipan nila na ganun yung ginawa mo. Ang tatatak na sa utak nila is yung resulta. So, kung palagi kang conscious sa sasabihin ng iba, lalong-lalo na Scorpio kang, Scorpio kung sa Bisaya, pahimantayon. Masyado siyang observant na pagka na-expose siya sa negative na tao, ang palagi niyang nakikita is negativity. Parang, yung pangit? Sandali, ang kate. So, parang ang palaging nakikita is yung pangit, yung kapintas-pintas. So, kung exposed ka sa ganong mga klase ng tao, sa ganong klaseng pamilya or circle of friends, don't let that influence you. Kasi let's face it, kung magre-rebelde ang Scorpio, magaling naman talaga ang Scorpio eh. So, pagka meron lang influence ng, lalo na kung mahal nila, yung mga masyadong maraming satsat, hindi naman nagbibigay ng tulong, hindi naman nagbibigay ng solusyon, pero nangingialam. Tapos hindi kaya ni Scorpio na i-defy yung mga ganong klaseng tao kasi mahal nila. Yun ang nagiging downfall. So, para sa'yo, Scorpio, parang, mas mag-focus ka dun sa goal, ay sa result, kesa dun sa sasabihin ng tao kung gagawin mo ang isang bagay. Kung swak ba sa expectation ng mga tao sa paligid mo yung gagawin mo. Kasi pagka nag-fail ka, pipintasan ka lang. Let's face it, ang daming satsat, pero pag nag-fail ka, hugas kamay. Pero pag pinagpatuloy mo, lalo na kung na-analyze mo na maganda naman ang kahihinat na ng gagawin mo dun sa pinasok mong negosyo or investment, project, whatever that is. Pagka maganda yung resulta, all praise naman ng marami. So, why not follow your instincts, do what you must, and disregard lalo na pagka yung mga opinion lang naman ng alam mong hindi ka tutulungan kung mag-fail ka. So kung merong opinion na kailangan mong pakinggan, make sure na doon ka makikinig na sa mga taong yung kabutihan mo lang naman talaga ang iniisip. So there. That's for you, Scorpio. Let's proceed now to Scorpio love forecast. for Scorpio singles. For Scorpio singles, April 2019. Uy, lumalablay. Hindi gali lumabas yung King of Pentacles. So, pwedeng maliligaw to, pwedeng ikaw to. Kung maliligaw to, this is someone na stable. May pera, may stable na source of income, may trabaho. Tsaka siya yung goal talaga is to settle down. So, in this case, I would like to pull up a clarifier for this. Torn between two lovers, Scorpio. Dali tatalunan excited eh. Okay. So, ang clarifier nitong King of Pentacles is strength, upright. So, maybe ito yung lumalapit sa'yo na parang yung strength, yung kasasabi ko lang, diba, strength is yung opinion ng yung lion is society as a whole. For me, that's for me as a reader na maraming satsat tapos kailangan mong patahimikin. So maybe nung lumapit si King of Pentacles sa'yo or nung naging ganito ka, okay, there are two scenarios. Pwedeng ikaw to, pwedeng ibang manliligaw. So, scenario 1, if manliligaw si King of Pentacles, maybe ngarag ka ngayon, Scorpio, kung mamimit mo ba yung expectation ng marami. Kasi King of Pentacles siya. May pera to. Stable to. Maybe alta to kumpara sa'yo. So, parang swak ba ako sa lifestyle niya? Will his or her family accept me? Will his or her social circle acknowledge me as his or her partner? Will I gain the same respect na meron siya? If naging kami. Yan, scenario 1 yan kung manliligaw si Pentacles. Ngayon, ang advice sa'yo is Page of Cups reversed. So, parang may kailangan ka matutunan muna. Parang ipreno mo muna yung emotions mo. Let's clarify kung ayun, kumalam. Okay, Knight of Swords. Parang okay. Page of Cups, preno mo muna yung emotions mo. And since baliktad, there is a big possibility na insecurities, something negative yung emotions mo. Kasi you have to think about the situation logically. So, in this case, baka, yun nga, yung insecurity mo kay King of Pentacles, na, nakaka-impluwensya sa relationship or sa samahan kung hindi mo pa sinasagot. So, be logical about it. Ano bang, kung na-insecure ka na baka hindi ka tanggapin ng mga tao sa paligid niya, why not approach the situation logically? Maybe, meron kang, you don't need to meet the other people's expectations. Maybe there's something na kailangan mong gawin ng mabilisan in order to impress them. Pwede ring impress them with your brains. Impress them with yung capability mo na yung irrationalize yung yung feelings mo. Siguro yung wag ipahalata na ngarag ka. Or siguro yung na rin, Knight of Swords of Pride. Ito yung parang hindi nakakatulong sa akin yan. Ang mentality ng Knight of Swords upright is yung parang this is how I feel pero hindi nakakatulong tong feelings ko. So parang iba na lang gawin ko para ma-acknowledge ko yung goal ko. as this person's maybe future girlfriend, future boyfriend. So parang kung may kailangan ka pang i-meet na standards, so make sure na yung ang tawag dito, yung parang i-rationalize mo yung emotions mo. Parang if I feel this way, tapos walang nangyayari, so maybe it's time to channel my emotions to something else na mas productive, mas attention gaining, mas recognition gaining, para hindi mahalata yung yung insecurity. And magaling ka din, Scorpio, yung kunwari I can handle this, fake it till you make it kind of approach. Magaling ka rin, pero deep inside parang ano na next. So yun ang ina-advise. Let go of the negative emotions, lalong-lalo na kung wala namang nangaano sa'yo. Rationalize what you have to do. Channel your emotions to something more productive and more advantageous, lalong-lalo na sa pakikisama mo sa kung sino man tong manliligaw na to. And if you're going to do just that, King of Wands reversed, mawawala yung kawalan mo ng confidence, mawawala, hindi ka mapupunta sa situation na gagawin mo yung gusto nila all because kailangan mo silang i-please. Mawawala yun. So, that's scenario 1. Scenario 2 is if this is you, Scorpio. So, kung ikaw to, you're working on your pentacles, you're working on your coins, you're working hard to gain money, you're working hard to establish a permanent source of income. Tapos maraming sumasatsat sa paligid na you have to have a love life, or you have to be involved with someone romantically, maybe tumatanda na rin. So, merong something about your love life na maraming opinion ang karamihan ng nasa social circle mo. So, maybe ikaw, wag niyo akong pakialaman. I'm trying to establish my pentacles. I'm establishing my financial source. Tapos maraming nangangapura na, huy, mag-asawa ka na, huy, mag-boyfriend, girlfriend ka na kasi matanda ka na, parang ganon. Or maybe, merong someone na gusto ng family mo, ng social circle mo, ng friends mo na bagay sa'yo. Maybe, maraming nire-reto sa'yo, mina-matchmake sa'yo, pero ayaw mo kasi gusto mong mag-concentrate sa work. So, that's scenario 2. So, what you need to do is, let go of your negative emotions. Baka naman kasi, this is thinking fast and thinking logically. Baka naman kasi if negative yung emotions mo towards love, kaya ayaw mong mag-commit, baka naman kasi kailangan mong i-disregard yon, kasi yung parang kailangan mo i-disregard yon para and just go on a date and socialize and maybe be adventurous in your love life, kasi merong mas logical na mangyayari if you go out with kung sino man tong nire-reto nila, kung ano man tong sinasuggest nila. So I'm sensing, example nito, Scorpio, is yung workaholic, tapos pinepester na ng mga relatives, ng family, ng friends na, hoy, mag go out and date, have a boyfriend already, you've been working too hard, or maybe get married already, you've been working too hard. Tapos ayaw mo, parang, hindi pa ako tapos, marami pa akong gustong bilhin, marami pa akong gustong i-build, hindi pa tapos yung bahay, hindi pa enough yung bank account ko, parang ganon. Yung bank account, yung savings ko. So parang ganon yung, sample lang to Tapos all you need to do naman pala is give in, go out and date someone. Kasi may makikita kang parang siguro kapareha mo ng ng mentality, or someone na kapareha mong logical ang approach to love. Pwede rin adventurous in a logical way. So maybe it's not all about emotions lang pala. So baka if you give in, if you'll try to you know do as these people say, kung ano tong sinasuggest nila, maybe may makikita kang advantage doon na hindi mo aakalain na mahahanap mo pala. And the Knight of Swords upright is more on impromptu business investments. Kung kung sa love naman to, ito gagawin natin, ito dapat mangyari. Yung hindi siya yung Knight of Cups na mag-o-offer ng love, bahala na. I-reject or hindi, bahala na. Pero Knight of Swords, ito yung magko-compromise. Tapos, if you're going to do as advised, Knight of Wands. So, ang ingay ng aso. Hindi ako makapag-concentrate. Isa na lang giawhag ya. Walang tao. Ingay. So, if you're going to do the advice, Knight of Wands ang magiging, yun nga, yung parang, there's no need for you to please the people around you. Or maybe, the logical part of going out on a date with someone, despite na nagmamaktol ka deep inside, parang hayaan mo na kung ayaw mo makapag-date, hayaan mo na kung ayaw mo naman talaga ng isang relationship. Kasi baka pag nag-give-in ka, ang logical na part nun is, you don't have to please these people. Parang makikipag-date ka lang para hindi ka na guluhin. Yun yung ko, na sense ko. So if si King of Pentacles is manliligaw, tapos may insecurity na baka hindi mo ma-meet yung expectations ng mga tao around him, then might as well try to ignore your negative emotions about it and try to do something na matatakpan yung insecurities mo, Scorpio. That's scenario 1. So that may madidiscover ka na hindi mo pala kailangang i-please yung mga tao around you. Tao around this person, kung sino man tong nagtitrigger ng insecurity mo. Scenario 2 is yung if ikaw tong King of Pentacles, you're working on your money, you're trying to be financially stable, pero ginugulo ka ng mga tao sa paligid mo to go on a date, maybe get married, pero deep inside ayaw mo naman talaga. Maybe you just have to be logical about it para hindi ka naguluhin. And you don't have to please other people. You don't have to do things as people say just to please them. So there. That's for you, Scorpio. Ang ingay! Sino ba kasi yan? Yung isang tuta namin kinagat ng ahas. So, nire-revive nila. So, yun yung umiiyak na parang may masakit. Pero itong nasa likod ng kwarto ko, sino ba kasi? Ayokong i-post, gusto kong magpatuloy. Para isang na. Okay. Minsan kasi may bisita eh. At ayoko nang nai-stop. Okay? So, let's start. Scorpios in a relationship. Hindi pa ako nagtatanong. Any messages, please, for Scorpios in a relationship regarding love for April 2019? Okay, these cards want to come up. Okay. Scorpios, si partner, nagmo-move on from a heartache. So maybe merong si partner. May sinuggest, may gustong gawin, ni-reject, and um, nalungkot. Sandali, ang ingay talaga eh. Okay, so sorry about that. So yun, si partner, feeling rejected or sad, maybe nag-away kayo, maybe may sinuggest na ayaw mo, um, may gustong gawin, may gustong sabihin, hindi in-acknowledge. Kaya, broken-hearted siya dati. And now he's trying his best to move on. I know, baliktad na, so naka-move on na siya kung ano man to. So, if you're in a girlfriend-boyfriend relationship, there is a possibility na yung hindi pa talaga mag-asawa, this is an indication na kung nagtataka ka, Scorpio, if yung partner mo in love pa ba dun sa ex, this is an assurance na no, hindi na. Move on na siya. Baliktad na yung 3 of swords niya. Kasi nga, yun nga, 9 of cups ka, hindi stable yung, yung emotions mo towards this relationship. Kasi, nagdududa ka nga, is he over her? Is she over him? Kasi iba yung feeling mo. Hindi mo mawari kung ano bang, siguro, suspicious ka, Scorpio, let's face it. So, maybe, you're suspecting na, pa rin, na kay ex pa rin yung puso't isipan niya, kumbaga. Pero, this is an indication na no, he's moved on. That's why he or she is entering this relationship. Sa mag-asawa naman, so there must be something na sinuggest na parang dinismiss mo, Scorpio. Maybe because hindi stable yung emotions mo that time. Maybe galit ka, pagod ka, stress ka. Or maybe pagdating sa subject na yun, sarado isip mo, talagang no. So, so that's the current energy sa between sa situation nyo. Now, current state of mind. Si partner, 9 of swords. So, may worries siya. While ikaw, 7 of swords. Reversed. So, there's a possibility, Scorpio, na may tinago ka kay partner dati na kinakatakot ni partner mo na mangyari ulit. Pero 7 of swords mo, baliktad na eh. So, it means it's something that you won't do again. You will never say again. You will never, scheme again. Tapos, pwede rin since Knight of Cups mo, ang nasisense ko using this is, merong something na gumugulo sa emotions mo, tinatago mo lang pero ngayon all out na. Parang iniisip mong sabihin na lang lahat. Tapos, yung kay partner mo, he's trying to move on. He's moved on from something na ginawa mo. Pero deep inside, natatakot niyang ulitin mo. So, in this case, parang dalawa yung scenario na pumapasok sa isipan ko. First, maybe you don't trust your partner wholeheartedly, Scorpio. Tapos itong tinatago mong emotions, ito, unstable emotion na tinry mong tinago, na iniisip mong i-disclose na. Maybe this is your suspicion na niloloko ka. Tapos, nag-iimbestiga ka on your own, na parang, yun nga, hindi mo dinidisclose na may duda ka, nag-iimbestiga ka, niloloko ka ba o hindi. Siguro na-booking ka na niya na gano'n ang ginawa mo. Pero dati pa yon, naka-move on na siya doon. Pero deep inside, ang laman ng kokote niya is yung fear, yung anxiety na baka gawin mo ulit. That's scenario 1. Scenario 2, ikaw Scorpio, marupok. Tapos, may ginawa kang pangit. Maybe you cheated. Maybe lang. General read to, maraming possibilities. Maybe you cheated tapos you want to disclose it. Ayaw mo nang itago. Tapos siya parang, siguro alam na niya, nakapag-move on na siya doon, pero kinakatakot niyang mangyari ulit. Those are the scenarios na nakikita ko. Now, what are you going to do about this current situation? Yung parang gusto niyong gawin. Okay. Gustong gawin ng partner about this is Wheel of Fortune reversed. Yung parang siguro the situation is calling for the two of you to move to different places to change the situation totally. Pero pinipigilan ni partner. Tapos ikaw naman, Empress reversed. Nung pagbunot ko, upright siya. Nahulog. Tapos yung pagpulot ko, reversed. So, I'll take it as reversed. Although it doesn't make sense. Parang kailangan ko pang i-analyze. So, maybe the two of you are thinking about letting go of each other. No. Mutual. Okay. So, Ace of Cups. So, parang si partner mo, Scorpio, is trying his or her best not to change his or her views about you. Yung parang gusto niyang gawin is yung parang walang nangyari. Maybe kasi para na rin doon sa pinagsamahan. Tapos ikaw is, ang gagawin mo is the Empress reversed. Ito yung yung parang ayaw mo nang alagaan, ayaw mo nang okay, kasi yung state of mind mo, Scorpio, is you want to disclose something. So maybe parang if itatago mo kung ano man tong gusto mong i-disclose, if ipagpapatuloy mong itago yung yung secret mo, there's a big possibility na magme-maintain yung kung ano mang stable sa relationship. Pero you want to disclose it, maybe kasi siguro konsensya na rin. You want to disclose it, you're thinking about opening up to your partner and telling him or her na ganito nangyari, hindi ko sinabi sa'yo, hindi ko pinaalam. Parang to hell with the results. Parang gusto mong maging honest for once. Sa parang ikaw gusto mo sumugal, masira man ang samahan o hindi, basta ayaw mo na magsinungaling. Tapos siya naman parang parang in denial siya na alam ko, ayoko na marinig. Yung parang yung sa no doubt, yung don't speak, I know what you're saying. And I don't, ano yan? And I don't need your reasons. No, don't tell me because it hurts. Parang ganun. Ganun yung ni partner Scorpio. So, parang ikaw gusto mong mag-explain. Gusto mong maging honest kasi siguro mabigat na rin yung burden sa dibdib mo. Kaya parang gusto mong mag-confess. Tapos siya parang, hindi, walang nangyari. Hindi, okay lang yan. Parang ganun. Pero ang yung mutual goal nyo is Ace of Cups. Both of you are wanting to acknowledge na mahal nyo pa rin yung isa't isa, parang ganun. So, what needs to be done kay partner? He or she should focus on Ace of Wands. Malungkot ako bigla. Ang kailangan niyang tutukan is yung restart. Yung nga, kasi nakapag-move on na siya. So, parang, doon na lang niya i-focus yung emotions niya. Yung pag-refresh, pag-restart ng relationship. Ang kailangan niyang ilagay sa kokote niya is yung King of Cups. This is yung pagiging emotionally stable niya. So, parang kung ikaw, Scorpio, medyo unstable yung emotions mo, hindi mo alam kung anong gusto mo, may i-disclose mo ba yung secret mo or not. Siya parang, ano mang gawin mo kailangan, I'll stick to what I really feel. I'll react accordingly, maturely. Parang ganun. Yun yung kailangan niyang tandaan. Pero kailangan niyang gawin is temperance. He or she should focus on the things na kailangan niyang pakawalan. So, if that means kailangan ka niyang pakawalan, then so be it. So, ito ang dapat niyang tandaan. To be emotionally stable, kung ano man tong kailangan niyang pakawalan, maybe this is someone or something important na hindi niya kayang mawala, pero kailangang mawala sa equation, mawala sa story. Then he or she should be emotionally stable about it. And now, for you, Scorpio, ang kailangan mong tutukan is yung kawalan ng give and take sa relationship. So, siguro it's either ikaw tong bigay ng bigay or ikaw tong tanggap ng tanggap. Do something about it. Paano mo ba mababalance yung situation na magiging patas kayo? And I think it has got something to do with with your emotions. Siguro ikaw na lang palagi iniintindi, ikaw na lang palagi kinukonsider kasi palagi kang emotional, palaging feelings mo na lang ang kinoconsider. So how about si partner? Considerate ka rin ba sa feelings niya? And what you need to do is be this. Ito yung dapat mong tandaan. See, opposite ng emotions. Logic. So, before ka mag-tantrum, before ka mag-emote, umiyak, humagulgol, try to be considerate naman sa logic ng ginagawa mo. Ano ba nangyayari tuwing ganun ka? May pakinabang ba yun sa relationship? Wala. So there. And what you need to do is King of Swords. So do not be this. This is what you need to do. Yung i-acknowledge mo yung part ng self mo, Scorpio. To be less of a person na sarili lang iniisip or yung parang pag hindi kailangan ngayon i-dismiss kasi maybe nangyari na rin to dati na hindi mo kailangan yun dinismiss tapos kailangan mo pala in the future tas babalikan. So parang wag ganun. Or if this is another person, you have to let go of this person na siguro nanggagatong na mag-away kayo. Baka ito yung secret na gusto mong i-disclose. Itong King of Swords na to. So, try to be logical. Which of these kings is worth it? Yung logical na palaging sarili lang iniisip? O itong, emotionally mature na king? So, there. More on, pagiging considerate sa partner ang advice sa'yo, Scorpio. Maybe you've been draining much of your partner's energy. So you have to be fair. So possible outcome if you're going to do as advised. So Three of Cups reversed. Ito yung yung mga dinidismiss, chill lang, relax lang ng mga issues dati. Parang itatakaw na. And then, to the Hierophant reversed. There's a big possibility na ma-enumerate yung mali mo, ma-enumerate mo rin yung mali niya. And then, mako-consider nyo yung yung mga bagay na hindi nyo pa alam, parang madi-disclose na. And then, you end up with a very stable solution. May it be together or individually. What you need to expect, Three of Pentacles, so ma-acknowledge yung third party. Or maybe may teamwork na kailangan gawin na dati pang na supposedly dati pang ginawa. So maybe after you've settled this, meron ng stable na teamwork between the two of you. And with threes, I always think of the third party as pag upright si God. So parang pag Three of Swords, parang yung heartache between the two lovers is being put down by God. Tapos yung Three of Cups is yung celebration is being witnessed by God. Three of Pentacles is two efforts being directed by God, and Three of Wands is different choices, different approach in life na provided by God. Yun yung palagi ko, except lang kung baliktad. And in this case, Three of Pentacles. So if you're going to do as advised and the results come out, yung ma-enumerate na yung ayaw nyo sa isa't isa, tapos hindi na kayo yung chill lang sa mga problems nyo, then there's going to be teamwork between the two of you na supposedly dati pang nangyari. And then there's death sa kung anumang negativity. And sa Hangman reversed, ito yung yung mga hindi nyo nagagawa dati kasi siguro walang opportunity, walang pera, walang materials, or hindi nyo lang talaga feel, then reverse na. You can do it now. So there. That's for you, Scorpio, and your partner. And if you like the video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. I just want to do a shout out kay Vanessa Perez. Mukhang inubos niyang panoorin lahat ng videos. Comment siya ng comment, nakakakilig. So, maraming salamat. And to Ate Merly Orit, I'm going to do your suggested video reading. And the topic will be, anong sinasabi nila sa ibang tao kapag wala ka? So, yun ang magiging topic for the next video. And again, description box, nandyan yung Facebook link ko. Just send me a message if you want a personal reading. And tell your friends about me. Sabihin nyo maganda ako. Anyway, kapal. Anyway, that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. And iinom na akong tubig ng init.